A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple means
Seb.
B for ball.
B for ball.
Ball means
Gained.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means
Billi.
D for dog.
D for dog.
Dog means
Kutta.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant means
Hathi.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means
Machli.
G for goat.
G for goat.
Goat means
Bakri.
H for hen.
H for hen.
Hen means
Murgi.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means
Ice cream.
J for jug.
J for jug.
Jug means
Jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite means
Patang.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means
Share.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
Monkey means
Bandar.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means
Ghosla.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange means
Santara.
P for papaya.
P for papaya.
Papaya means
Papita.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means
Rani.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
Rabbit means
Khargosh.
S for sun.
S for for sun.
Sun means
Suraj.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
Tiger means
Bag.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means
Chhata.
V for van.
V for van.
Van means
Van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means
Ghade.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Xmas tree means
Xmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means
Jangli bhensa.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Zebra means
Zebra.
very good. You did a great job today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.